start. As we specialize in chair covers, we are able to offer you new summer styles at prices which are very low. Full stop. Our new designs are very pleasing and they are sure to meet with favor. Full stop. Things which are worth having are worth working for. Full stop. It is not usually possible to increase for very little or no effort anything worth having. Full stop. It will be a privilege to review this author's new novel when it appears next Thursday. Full stop. I shall have very much pleasure in reviewing it. Full stop. The fruit crop was very big last summer, largely because of the favorable weather, and many farmers had to accept very low prices. Full stop. Our efforts to secure the approval of the bankers were successful. Full stop. Originally, they were afraid it would not be possible to act favorably in our case. Full stop. The officials finally decided to make an offer for the property near River Street. Full stop. The special price at which the goods are offered is as low as any ever reached before. It scarcely covers the cost of freight. Full stop. A circular which gives the new prices is enclosed. Full stop. You will note that they are very reasonable. Full stop. There is a noticeable decrease in our business for the month of February. Full stop. Our Liverpool branch shows a drop of almost 30%. Full stop.